Hey guys, it is freezing cold and wet here today. I'm on my way to the grocery store, and before I go to the grocery store, I wanted to kind of tell you about some changes I feel like I want to make. So many of you have commented, do primal instead of paleo, or just I do low carb instead of paleo, but I still do dairy and cheese. So I've given this a lot of thought, and the main reason is because of some things that I want to have in my diet that I feel like I can't have with paleo. One, every now and then I'd like to have peanut butter, instead of the almond butter. Also, there is a protein powder that by Protein World, and Khloe Kardashian uses it, and it was on the Revenge Body, and I really want to try it, but it's got some dairy products in it. It's a whey protein powder. But besides that, I feel like paleo can't be sustainable for me forever. It's a great introduction into eating better, and it really was good for kickstarting the plan for me. But if we're talking about weigh-ins, I have a few factors that this week I think really threw me off. Number one, I still lost. I did not gain any weight, but I feel like I probably could have lost a few more pounds had I not had the following factors. A, Aunt Flo came to visit. We don't have to talk any more about that. You guys already know what that does as far as water weight, things like that. B, I did all my workouts indoors instead of going to the gym because it was freezing and raining and just pathetic outside. The wind was howling. And so when you work out at home, or at least for me, I don't get as hard of a workout as I do at the gym when I've taken the time to actually drive there and get my headphones and everything. So there's that. Then also, I chose to have my cheat day yesterday, which we haven't even talked about cheat days. I just assume you guys all know that you can have a cheat day or a cheat meal. But for cheat day, I usually would have it the day after weigh-in, but for some reason yesterday it was just calling my name, and so I ate some pretty bad things yesterday. And anyway, so there's that. But I still lost a pound, or almost a pound. I'm not sure. I don't remember the exact decimals, but I went from 168 to 167. And I'll consider that a mild success. But anyway, so there's that. And let's think about what kind of plans are out there. Because while I do like paleo, I know that I can't do it forever. And so I'm thinking about some more sustainable ways. Let me know what you think. I've gotten some feedback from most of you, or lots of you already, and so I really would like to hear tweaks to it, or is there a plan out there I'm not aware of, something like that. But for right now, I think I'm sticking to just a general low carb diet that also includes dairy. And I'll let you guys know about this protein powder because it's supposed to be really, really good and work wonders. So I'll keep in touch with you. Let me know your weigh-in. I want to know if you did better than I did this week. I'm sure that you did. All right, I'll see you next week.